All right, so just a quickie. You might see this bike is in complete like disarray here. So I've tried to remove the lower part, the linkage here, take the crank off in order to remove that, and loosen this guy, pull that out in order to install a new brake line, because we're doing codes on this Stumpjumper, because these guide R's that came on here, which you can see are no longer on here, the guide R's suck. So this one's getting code R's, slightly used, but they work way, way, way better. But if you are going to replace the line, you need to follow the frame, and you've got to insulate these lines so they don't make noise inside the aluminum frame. So it means you've got to kind of disconnect all of the interfaces. You can see that. Just open up the frame, make it easy on yourself, and save yourself a boatload of time and struggling. So anyway, installing brake codes on the aluminum Stumpjumper with the single brace here rather than the old-fashioned style. So hope that helps.